Sri Ayodhya Rami Reddy ji, please.
Namaskar, sir. First of all, I express my deep gratitude towards the healthcare professionals of the country. When the pandemic had surrounded us from all sides, the healthcare workers emerged out as the corona warrior and have put in tremendous effort to save our lives. They have managed to deliver with limited resources and infrastructure. Andhra Pradesh managed to handle the situation very well through a well-thought-out plan. Our village volunteer network system has acclaimed throughout the country, with states like Kerala adopting, and now even Britain has started implementing it. The village volunteers educated the people about the transmission of the virus, identified thousands of people who had returned from abroad, mapped and corona hotspots in the state, distributed the ration kits, and now are ready to contribute to the vaccination drive. Though the healthcare professionals have won the corona war for us, but now is the time to introspect and prepare for the future. There were many shortcomings in our healthcare system which should now be analyzed and rectified so that the country is ready for any future medical emergency. Sir, the National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professionals Bill 2020 is a step in the right direction. India has suffered from the problem of inappropriately trained doctors and poor quality of medical education since a very long time. Decades back, the Mudaliar Committee report pointed out that doctors had neither the skills nor the knowledge to handle primary care and infectious diseases that were a high priority concern at the time. In recent times, the excessive reliance on a battery of diagnostic tests is reflective of commercial considerations and weak knowledge. So this bill, with the objective of regulating and standardizing the education and practice of allied and healthcare professionals, is an important legislation, needs to be discussed elaborately. Sir, this bill, by setting up of Allied and Healthcare Council of India and corresponding state allied and healthcare councils, will enable setting of better standards and facilitate the medical profession. With basic standards of education, courses, staff qualifications and examinations, professionalism can be introduced among the healthcare workers. The impact of the bill would be a high quality, multidisciplinary healthcare system in line of Ayushman Bharat mission, moving away from a doctor-led model to a team-based model with accessible and affordable care. The skilled and efficient healthcare professionals health professionals can reduce the cost of treatment also. At present, there exist many allied and health professionals who remain unregulated and unidentified, or else are underutilized. Though this bill is targeted at the health professionals, but it is going to benefit the whole country. The basic objective is very clear: strengthening the healthcare system of this country. To address these issues, I suggest to adopt the success story of Andhra Pradesh government in the healthcare sector, which will provide a far-sighted view to this concern.
Please conclude, Ayodhya Rami.
Sir, Andhra has put up a large establishment, invested very heavily on the healthcare infrastructure, set up 11,000 village clinics, and also setting up sub-clinics, another 1,000 sub-clinics. So the budget also, is going much beyond what was planned, and it is in the right direction.
Thank you.
We firmly believe that this is our duty to make provisions for affordable
time is
treatment.
over, sir.
Right to health is a fundamental right guaranteed under Article 27. Therefore, we support this bill with our stated recommendations.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.